Look at this. There are 4,152 subscribers in my trading group, and we're killing it. I got a few shout outs to give on my trading group. This person stated, signed up for VIP Elite, took your suggestion. I doubled my money in less than a week. This person, I'm up $58,000 in 10 days. I've got a cryptocurrency trading group. I've got 6 chat groups where everybody's calling out breakouts, posting charts, working together to trade this market. I've got 41 videos in a playlist. If you don't know anything about trading at all, nothing, you can watch these videos. You'll be making profitable trades. Number one reason why people join my trading group is I post profitable trading setups every single day, and we've been killing it. If you guys want to join the cryptocurrency trading group, you want to pay in crypto, email me, cryptobitcoinchris@gmail.com. I'll get you set up and in the group today. You pay for 6 months in crypto, you get a 20% discount. You pay for the year in crypto, you get an additional month for free and a 30% discount. If you do want to pay with a card month to month on a monthly basis, you can do so. There's a Patreon link that's in the description. I want to thank everybody for watching Crypto Revolution. We talk about everything crypto daily. Before we jump into this video, I want to ask you guys, smash a like button for me, subscribe to the channel, jump in right into the market today in crypto. Bitcoin 4-hour chart. We've talked about this rising channel, rising wedge previously. It's important that the bulls hold this lower trend line. I mean, this is a bearish reversal pattern, 68% chance that this breaks to the downside. It's important that this blue support level hold for the bulls. If the bulls aren't able to hold this support level and the price action does break below it, you're looking at a measured move around $28,100. So again, this would be a bearish sign. It'd be amazing for the bulls to show up and force a breakout of this essentially falling wedge or forming here on the 4-hour Bitcoin chart. This is the 15-minute chart. We talked about it yesterday, looking for a pullback and a bounce. The price action having a hard time getting above this 32,750 level. Again, you want to see higher prices. You want to see the all-time high tested. The Bitcoin bulls need to show up and break above 35,000. Okay, a good break above that level, and you're looking for 42,000 and then $48,000 Bitcoin. For the time being, all eyes on Bitcoin. I've got some amazing shout outs to give in my trading group. This person, he joined the group, he had never traded before. And you can see his portfolio, $118,000. He's definitely taken advantage of this market. I mean, he came in and just, I'd say 99% of the people that joined the group haven't traded before. They watch the videos, they learn to trade, learn some basics, and I can teach you guys all of this. GRT, this person up 550%, 5.5x. This person joined the trading group, and in a week, up $4,000. $4,000. This person had been trading, actually been in the group for about 14 months, grew his balance, his portfolio from $84,000 to $170,000 in less than 2 months. Bottom line is this. This is the biggest financial opportunity of our lifetime. A year from now, 2 years from now, 3 years from now, you want to be able to look back at the bull run, at the bull market, huge financial opportunity, and you want to say, I made the most of this opportunity. And if you guys want to join the cryptocurrency trading group, if you pay in crypto right now, it's 50% off. So go to my website, cryptorev.net. This is Bakkt, B-O-T, BTC. You guys remember this? Because you should. I posted this and talked to you about it 6 days ago. 10,473 people saw this video, this setup, Bakkt BTC, buy the breakout of this level. Huge gains, 105% profits out of Bakkt BTC, buy the breakout, Moon Edition. I want to talk to you guys about BNT, and I've talked to you guys about it previously, and I'm going to reiterate this. And so I posted this about 6 weeks ago originally in the trading group. And there was a point where Coinbase Pro started or listed ADA, BNT, and SNX. We know what ADA's done, $280. SNX is taken off. BNT is lagging a little bit. BNT had 1,000% gains last alt season. BNT, Bancor, Network, is DeFi. Now, here's the BNT setup. You guys remember this? I gave it to you on the 21st, 5 days ago. 12,750 people saw this setup. BNT, bull flag. Okay, just to reiterate this, it's up 23%. Solid gains. You can see now it's by the breakout of this level. Again, you've got this huge double bottom forming. Everybody's gonna be talking about BNT when it starts breaking out up here, starts going to the moon. The key is to see the vision. You have to see the potential here. You know, your price action broke above the 200. You've got golden cross that just happened on BNT. So putting Bancor network on your radar. XVS. This setup has been amazing, been ridiculous. There's a setup posted, 119, huge profits. Altcoin season, guys. You got to make the most of it. It's been altcoin season. Bitcoin dominance has been plummeting. There's some news that came out on Matic yesterday. Before I went to bed, I posted this, 2:45 a.m. Matic, big news coming. One blank to rule them all. This is the news. Here it is. This is it. One blank to rule them all. Here, 33% pump. That's where we're at. Like, this news is pumping the market crazy. Like, you just catch it when it comes out, and it's just like, what do I buy? Matic, this is the Matic setup again, 33% gains off this guy. Algo came out, and this person's trying to tie the Federal Reserve Bank of Boston and some MIT research to Algorand through the director of DCI. So possibly there's some hype here. Uni, look what Uni did. Uni was at $14. This is a smaller exchange potentially. I'm not really sure which one. Somebody posted this. Had a big scammy wick to the downside. Imagine picking up Uni for $1, having some buy orders down here, 14x in your money real quick, life-changing money. INJ staying in the now with this news. They partnered with Alliance Block. They're going to launch decentralized oil and gas futures. I want you guys to focus on DeFi. I want you guys to focus on these decentralized exchanges, Uniswap, INJ, SNX, etc. Okay? Make sure, like, in the smaller cap coins have the most upside, period. Smaller cap coins. Shout out to this person, Mark Jackson, posted this. He said, listen, the last time that the stochastic RSI left oversold levels, you had a run from 20,000 to 40,000. And then here we are again. Potentially, at some point, we could see the same type trigger for the next move higher. And I think, $48,000 Bitcoin. I mean, will we have one more move lower? Possibly. But at the end of the day, you got to buy these dips, period. Load up on altcoins. During these Bitcoin dips, you'll make a killing. Bitcoin dominance has it bounced. So the altcoins haven't been moving amazing. But the smaller cap and the DeFi and the smaller coins have been doing real well. We've done real well on these guys. But altcoin season will continue to flourish as long as this continues lower. Decentralized travel platform XL Trip integrates XinFin's mainnet token. They're accepting flight and hotel booking payments in XDC. So a lot of people are super hyped about this one. XDC and XinFin have been around for an extended period of time. So I've seen some YouTubers talk about how cool it is to be able to use these cryptos to pay for their travel. There's a lot of positives about this. Obviously, mainstream adoption, this is part of it. So XL Trip has ties with over 1.5 million hotels, 400 airline companies. The platform's global clientele is going to be able to use all these services with their XDC tokens. Remember that XinFin, XDC, it's fast. It's 2,000 transactions per second. It's very cheap. The fees are ridiculously cheap. And again, transaction confirmation time with finality, 2 seconds. So keep an eye on XinFin. BNB there's had a lot of upside. Let's say it's 4.5x. But it's a larger cap coin, so it hasn't maybe moved like some of these others, right? You'll get into situations with these cryptos where there's always going to be a better performing coin, right? And so, but then, have you ever noticed as soon as you sell the coin or switch to something else, it takes off? That's how this market's designed. There's a lot of psychology that goes into this, and part of accumulation is when nothing's happening. So make sure to kind of understand how these market cycles work. Now, BNB BTC needs to break out above this level. You'd buy the breakouts, running out of room. Here's your targets over here. listed. Pause the screen. Make sure. Had a couple people in the YouTube comments that couldn't read the targets. Make sure you're in 1080p mode. This is Near, the builder's fastest path to market. So Near is an open source platform that accelerates the developments of decentralized applications. Build your first app in 5 minutes. And again, this sounds great. I mean, who doesn't want to build a decentralized application in 5 minutes? So they've got, you can build community-owned apps, harness the internet of value, operate at consumer speed, and secure financial components. Again, Near, just putting Near on your radar, mainly because of this chart. You would buy, this is a very bullish pennant, a break to the upside, and you'll see targets, $2.75, $2.91, $3.10, $3.30, $3.57, $4. And you start to get these parabolic curves. These are good setups to watch. As soon as you start to see them curving higher. Why? Because they finish with these parabolic pumps. Okay, so again, this is not buy now, it's buy the breakout. Kathy Wood, Bitcoin ETF approval unlikely until the market cap rises to about $2 trillion. So you know what? How long during the bear market were we just like holding our breath for the Bitcoin ETF that never happened and still hasn't happened yet? And I really don't think we need it. Apparently institutions are fine stocking up on Bitcoin themselves. Bitcoin falls as miners sell. Institutions watch Yellen. So they're saying, hey, institutions are concerned about the United States Treasury Secretary, Mrs. Yellen. Bitcoin's falling because miners are selling. So this is the Bitcoin miners position index. It's a ratio of the number of Bitcoin leaving all the miners. And essentially at 40,000, there's been a lot of selling from the miners. And this has called a lot of pullbacks in the past. And the question is, how deep of a retrace are we looking at now? And the easy way to kind of look at this is, just accumulate more. This is dip buying season, period. If you bought 40,000 and you're new to this market, you know what? We've all been there. We've all made that mistake. Don't buy the top. Always buy the biggest, scariest dips that make you sick, like make you ill. Like you're looking at your portfolio and you're thinking, I can't even, you're just like, everything in your body is telling you to hit that sell button because you're scared. You got to hit that buy button and you'll make a tremendous amount of money and you'll be able to quit your job just by, kind of reprogramming your psychology is how you look at this market, because you want to do what everybody else isn't doing. Don't be the herd. DeFi tokens bagged double-digit gains as the bears pinned the Bitcoin price below 33,000 again. Altcoin season, DeFi are going to be huge for the life of the bull run. Small caps move just fine right now. While Bitcoin dominance may not be moving to the downside, you've got a lot of altcoins, a lot of DeFi altcoins, small caps taking off. Altcoin season is booming under the radar, and it is. A lot of people are, would even hit me up and say, hey, is this altcoin season? And I'm thinking, well, yeah, it started all the way back here 7 weeks ago. As soon as this starts to retrace, altcoin season, because the money is flowing into the altcoins. If this bounces, Bitcoin season will be back. There's a YouTuber, Lark Davis, he's saying, hey, some subscribers and investors are missing out on altcoins. And you know what? If you are oblivious and just watch the top 10 or top 20, you're missing the altcoin train, period. Ergo, and IOHK announced Age USD. This is the first stablecoin that's going to come to Cardano. This is needed. Stablecoins, I think every blockchain, every crypto should have a stablecoin, because if you're going to use this as any form of currency, like it fluctuates so much. If you guys like the content that I provide on a daily basis, be sure to subscribe to the channel, like the video, comment below, hit the bell for notifications. Thanks so much. I'll see you guys tomorrow.